Hi, when you first launch Inventor 2014, you will get this welcome page. Now you can choose to open up files that you have done before, but if you're really new to it, what you can do is you can click on New for a new file to begin. Now there are many file formats in Inventor. The .ipt is the normal part file. We all usually start out drawing parts. Once we have parts that make up an assembly, we can then go on to create an assembly. Either from the part file or the assembly file, we can move on to create the 2D documentation, which I'll show later on in other videos. These are the common file formats from Autodesk Inventor. For a start, I will go into the standard mm.ipt to create my first part. It takes some time to load up onto the screen. To get you used to this overall user interface, it's very similar to the Microsoft tabs and ribbons. As you can see, it is also very similar to what they have in AutoCAD 2014. Over on the left here, we have a browser tree, and this is important for us as we develop and draw our parts. We will show what was our history, part history, and we can edit from this browser tree. So it's important to keep it there. In the event if you accidentally click this cross, it will close that browser tree altogether, and you will have a tough time trying to navigate. To get the browser back on, go to View and go to User Interface and select Browser, and you'll get your browser back. Now, most of the time we will be using the 3D Model tab and the ribbon that we have over here. These are all our panels, and over here is the view cube. Excuse me. You can actually rotate it by clicking on the corners of the tubes. You can rotate the view, or you can click your center mouse button to rotate. Shift then center mouse button to rotate. To zoom in and out, you scroll your center mouse button. We can't see anything right now until we create a part. Maybe I should create a part for you right now. Just a very quick demonstration of how easy it is to create your first part. I'm not explaining through all this right now. I'll explain it later on how to create a solid part. Right, so if you have a part and you scroll in and out using your center mouse button to zoom in and out, and this is my front view, I can change the views. Okay, this is my bottom. If I flick it back here, it's going to my front. This is my top, my left. Okay, so I can rotate my view. If I accidentally zoom out and I can't find it again, right, all I need to do is double click my center mouse button, and my part will come back to the screen. Right, this is all I have for you for the user interface and what we have. In the next lesson, I will talk in detail on how you can create your first 2D sketch. In all 3D CAD, the very first step is to create your 2D sketch, to which you will extrude out your first solid. See you later, guys. Thank you very much for your attention.